Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the best digital satellite finder, a feature-packed tool that makes satellite setup quick and easy. Stay tuned for the full breakdown. Let's get started.
Product features.
2.4-inch TFT color LCD screen. The Woopker VF features a 2.4-inch color LCD screen that clearly displays signal strength, quality, and other important metrics. The screen may be compact, but it's vibrant and easy to read, making satellite alignment more precise and hassle-free. Wide compatibility. This finder supports a wide range of satellite standards, like DVB-S and S2, DVB-T and T2, and DVB-C and C2. Whether you're using free-to-air or pay TV systems, this device has you covered, making it a versatile choice for both home users and professionals. Spectrum function for signal analysis. Need to troubleshoot signal issues? The built-in spectrum analyzer helps you scan and analyze signal interference or instability. It's perfect for identifying problems and fine-tuning your dish for the best reception. Motor dish control and DISEC support. If you use a motorized satellite dish, you'll love this feature. The Woopker VF supports full motor control along with DISEC 1.0, 1.1, and 1.2, as well as 0 and 22 kHz tone switching, making remote dish positioning fast and accurate. Customizable OSD interface. The device includes 10 different on-screen display color themes, allowing you to pick the interface that best suits your viewing environment, especially helpful under bright sunlight or at night. Comprehensive signal testing tools. With advanced measurements like BER, PWR, SNR, MER, signal strength, and signal quality, you'll get a complete snapshot of your satellite performance, ensuring you're always aligned for the best reception. Long battery life. Powered by a 7.4V and 2000 mAh lithium battery, the Woopker VF offers low power consumption and long standby time, ideal for long working hours or field use without constant recharging. Audio signal lock alerts. The audible alarm helps you identify signal strength levels easily, and the signal lock notification confirms when your satellite is successfully aligned, saving time and guesswork. Built-in compass and LED backlit keys. With a built-in compass, you can point your dish with confidence. The LED backlit keys make it easy to operate the device in low light or nighttime conditions. Pros. Supports multiple satellite systems, clear and colorful LCD screen, full motor control and DISEC compatibility, comprehensive signal testing features, long battery life with low power usage, audio alerts and backlit keys for ease of use. Cons. The screen may be too small for users who prefer larger displays. Learning curve for beginners due to professional-level features. Final thoughts. All in all, the Woopker VF Digital Satellite Finder is a smart, powerful tool designed for both amateur users and satellite professionals. With advanced features like motor control, spectrum analysis, and long-lasting battery life, it makes satellite setup more efficient and less frustrating. Check the price in the link below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.